Tech Summit. That's the largest in Asia. This is the day 2. This is a 3-day event, and over hundreds of stalls have been put up. Thousands of people have been visiting the Tech Summit, and more thousands are expected to visit the summit. This is the hub. Bangalore is already the IT hub of India, and there is more innovation, more usage of artificial intelligence to solve various problems from garbage disposal, biotechnology, education, entrepreneurship. Let's go inside to see what's there in store for us. So can you tell us what are these products? Which technology do you use and where are you based on?
So this is a holography product. So typically the idea behind this is in comparison to normal LED screen, right? So this provides much better customer attention and retention, right? Because we see everything in 3D. So when you walk past something which is like a normal LED screen, it is in 2D. So if it is 3D, then the humans get immediately attracted to it, and the retention rate is also high, right? So that is this product all about. So this is able to display things in full 3D, as you can see here. And what we also do is, along with this, we also provide a lot of integration to it. Like we can provide an integration of hand gestures or ChatGPT or any standard AI-based modules, where this could act like a digital human. You can ask questions, it can give you answers. You can run text, you can run images, you can run videos, you can run fully animated videos in the same system.
So this is a marketing strategy sort of thing where they can, and customer service where you get that.
Yes, so this can be used for events like this. This can be used in product information centers, product experience centers, where people can come and get experience of your products. This can also be used as an education tool, where a teacher talking about something can be displayed in full 3D and students can learn that. So the applications are really unlimited. You could use it in anything. But yeah, primary application would be marketing, I would say.
And when did you start this Gallo Systems, and where is it based, and how many customers, or how is the process? Like, do you give it for rent per day, or do companies buy it?
So we are Gallo Systems. We are based in Bangalore. We have offices in India as well as Dubai. So we are a technology company basically, and we started in 2016. So almost 8 years. We are in our 8th year now. And the customers, so along with this, we do a lot of other things, like we are a animation company, we do AR, VR projects, everything. So our customers are spread all over the country.
And how can we take this? Like, is it for rent?
Yes, so there are 2 models we work on. We sell it as an outright purchase you could do, or you could also rent it. So we could rent it from as low as 25,000 rupees per day and going all the way up to 2 lakhs rupees per day, depending on what configuration you are looking for.
We saw various stalls at the Bangalore Tech Summit from education, fintech, health, but here we have an interesting prototype. This looks like a superbike, and this is just at the prototype. Let's talk here to the team members to know what is this bike and what is this EV. Let's just get to them to discuss. So sir, can you tell us what is this electric vehicle, what is the name, which company is it, and what are the features for this?
Hi, glad to have you everyone. This is a iGo twin-wheeled motorcycle. It's intended for luxury tourer, right? It's a long-distance, comfort-oriented, luxury-oriented family vehicle. When we talk about electric vehicles, right? Yes, it's an electric vehicle, but not just that. It provides unparalleled comfort, unparalleled luxury, especially in the motorcycle segment. Yeah, there are many super bikes, but this is the first luxury bike in the world.
So can you tell us when was this started, this project, when this will be launched in the market, and what is the cost of this?
Right. So this is iGo. As a team, we have been working on trikes for more than 3.5 years. Right. Our R&D is complete. We have a simple last mile variant as well, more personal usage kind of a variant. But this particular cruiser is on our roadmap. We are planning to launch it in 2024 or early 2025. right? So this is a prototype that we are testing it out right as we speak. So as I was telling, this is the first luxury e-tourer. This electric bike is one of its kind, right? When it comes to comfort, for the rider especially, you can see that how comfortable it is as a motorcycle, right? It'll give complete grip. At the same time, it'll come with a unique self-balancing feature. That is our unique technology. And it's a narrow tilting twin wheel bike. And this is the beauty of this particular vehicle, the kind of comfort for a pillion. Even someone sitting on a sari can sit very comfortably with their kid and ride the most luxurious experience on motorcycles possible. It's an electric vehicle, as you can understand. It's battery powered, and we use one of the most unique lithium iron manganese phosphate, highly durable battery packs that provide long life and very high fire resistance for our weather. And this comes with multiple variants on battery and very powerful 100 kilometers per hour kind of top speed. And one of the unique features about this vehicle is the boot space. The boot space again is unparalleled. You can even for a long distance cruiser, it has a lot of space, and you can carry a lot of stuff without worrying about long distance riding. So that's the beauty of this particular variant.
This is more like if I want to travel somewhere, I want to take road trips, this is going to be my luxury bike that I would like. So as you could see here, we also have a very luxury bike. So next time we are on a road trip, maybe we can use this electric vehicle to have a more better, as the poster says, a potholes free experience for our road trips. As you can see, there are a number of stalls put up here over here, but it's not just for renowned entrepreneurs and the new age startups, but also the students. There are many student-based stalls that have been put up over here, and let's talk to one of them.
I'm Likith Kumar. I'm from Bengaluru Institute of Technology, Moodbidre. We came up with Rosette Smart Life as a company, and we are developing smart bottle and also a health management application. It is both are connected using Bluetooth Low Energy. In mobile application, it will collect user data. Based on that, it will set a target by keeping the parameters like atmospheric temperature or BMI information of the user. So based on that, the target will be set, like how much water we need to drink or how much nutrition or calories that we need to take, and that smart bottle will help us to reach the target. For example, it will give reminders and medical reminders for water intake and medicine intake. And also we have a OLED display on the office version, so that will tell for example, if we have a target like this, if the target is set, so how much target did we reached, it will show. If the target is not met, it will glow itself by giving the reminders for us to drink water whenever it's required.
And what is the cost of per bottle?
Actually, it's in R&D stage. We estimated it for $9.99, so that's our estimated cost.
So basically, overall, this bottle will help us to remind the amount of water we should take, and it will be very personalized as per my body. What amount of water do I need to take? It will be integrated, and it's also integrated with the app.
Futuristic thought would be connecting smart watches and all the bottles, or if we have few more come up with few more smart devices like focus monitor and all. So we are planning to build an ecosystem for our personalized lifestyle. So that is our futuristic plan.
And how many students worked on this project?
Actually, we are from Bengaluru Institute. We have 15 plus student members working with us. So
All of 15?
yeah, we got support from incubation from our college, and also recently we pitched our idea to Government of Karnataka through Elevate scheme. We got 12 lakhs of fundings from that to develop our product. So that's our journey so far.
And by when can we expect this product to actually come into the market?
Yeah, actually we are expecting it to be in next 1 or 2 months. We are developing all the rendering, and development is done. We just want to proceed further for bulk manufacturing, and we are expecting it within 1 or 2 months.
Breaking boundaries. The Bengaluru Tech Summit truly stood to its theme, the breaking boundaries. As we saw inside, various entrepreneurs from across the country and Karnataka have found various solutions to the problems that are gripping the society, be it garbage disposal, or jobs for disabled people and a dignified life for them, or be it student-based entrepreneurship programs, drones, anything. There was everything here at the summit, different problems, different solutions. But one needs to remember that with this increase in artificial intelligence and technological innovation, there is a digital divide that's happening in the society. These innovations are required, definitely, but one needs to find solution for that. We must ensure that technology is accessible and usable by everyone, so there's no digital divide in the society. This is Akshata Mehta reporting for Daily Salar Digital.